here at Riverside. Look at this place. It's nice. First time to come here. Just following them. I don't know where they go. Then Baiduri Bank is there. Hi, sweetie. Say hi. Mommy take the live video, sweetie. Say hi. Where are you, sweetie, now?
We're like 2 miles away here.
Okay, you are in the what is this? Bridge? River? Riverside. Sweetie, come here. I want to interview you, sweetie. You do some TikTok in the Riverside. Come on, do the action. Do the action. Do the action, sweetie. Some more. Another. The hand. How about the hand? How about the hand, sweetie? Hi, Angel. Say hi. Where are you, Jel? Where are you now? In where? Azuri, look at this.
What? Oh my God, there's a crocodile.
And we have also there in our house, right? No, that is not. That one same in our house there at the back. Bigger than. A plastic there. You put inside the plastic. Get the plastic. This is the plastic of the. This is my girls. They're enjoying in the bridge. Wow. Hi, Angel.
Hi.
Hi, Ambreen.
I like to be my feet.
Hi, Azul. Hi, Azuri. Azuri. Hi, Angel. Angel is chocolate already. Apple girl. Azuri.
Come.
Our daddy. Hi, Dad. Angel. And then I'm here.
Hey, Mommy, let's go.
It's hot. A bit. We come here a bit early because we don't know where to go today. So kids just buy some drinks and playing.
Huh? Mommy, who is that?
I don't know. Azuri. Azuri. Hi, sweetie. Sweetie. Azuri, wait me. Under Armour. Angel, careful. Sweet, come here. Angel, come on. Careful, watch out. You need to cross the street. We need to go now. Yes, we need to go now. This is the Baiduri Bank where Daddy have work. It's already done. Baiduri Bank. Daddy, where the daddy's working. You have a hi Angel, careful. Now we are in the parking. We go to
Mommy, are we going to the jungle too?
Yes. No, no, no. Today not. Because we are now here in the parking place. Coffee bean and tea leaf. Super safe, but Angel, wait first. Angel, go quick. Asuri, go quick. This way. Daddy is here.
No, no, she go there. Just wait. Oh, she's our customer.
Which one? The girl? The lady?
You know her also.
You work in the escape.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know who is she.
Before she always
I'm
buy
so
to us.
sweating.
Sweating. It's hot. Okay. Sit down.
It's very hot.
Where's your chocolate here?
It's too hot here. It's too hot. Hot.
Ning Ning, we are in Brunei, of course. Let her go first.
Ew.